Hi, everybody. It's Miss Hildreth again. So we are going to actually start learning about ancient Greece. So we're going to read some information from the textbook. It's going to be online, so you won't have an actual textbook. But so this is Ancient Greece, Chapter 1, Section 1, The Rise of the Greek Civilization. And yes, when I get finished with this video, the video that I'm creating will be here in this video link. So if you're absent or you need to rewatch it, you can just click on the link and it'll explain the learning targets, the essential question, and day one. Okay, so it won't be very long. So our learning targets. First off, there's 4. I can show how Greece's geography influenced the development of the Greek civilization. And we kind of touched on this in the slides. And in your Newsella article last week, it touched on it as well, because one of our vocab words was a city-state, right? So they actually created city-states because the population was growing and men wanted to strike out and get some land and settle and make a life for themselves. So city-states started popping up, right? So think about the geography. We know that Greece is an island, or it's made up of many islands, right? It is surrounded by water on 3 sides. It's a peninsula, and it has a lot of mountains. So how did that affect where people settled and how the civilization actually developed? So that's some things to think about. Number 2, I can explain how and why city-states were founded. Number 3, I can explain how democracy developed in ancient Greece. Okay. So think about tyrants, think about our vocabulary words. They're very important to help explain what democracy was and how it came to be in Greece. And then the last thing is we're going to compare Greece's democracy to our modern day American democracy. How is it the same? How is it different? Which has its benefits, which has like negatives or some downfalls or pitfalls. So those are our learning targets. Now we're going to move on to our essential question, like always. So our essential question, what do you think life would be like in ancient Greece's democracy? Okay, so think about what you read in Newsella last week in our article. Think about your vocab words. Use those as your background information. Would it be similar to today? There's no right or wrong answer. It's a prediction. You're taking a guess, right? So you're going to click down in the box, the cursor pops up, and you're going to write 1 to 2 sentences explaining what you think about democracy in ancient Greece and how it would be similar or maybe different from today. Okay. Then once you've finished your question, you're going to move on. We'll have a short discussion in class, but you're going to move on to day 1. So students will watch 2 videos. They will be given some background information before they actually start reading the section of the chapter. Click on the links. So when I jump off this video, I will actually put them in, but you will have 2 links. One link will talk about the Mycenaeans. One link will talk about the Minoans. So you're going to click on them. You will watch 2 videos in Edpuzzle. And while you're watching those 2 videos, you will answer questions just to show, like as checkpoints, to see if you're paying attention and if you understand what they're talking about. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me or ask me. If not, have a wonderful day. And if you watch this video and you tell me your favorite thing to do in the summertime when you're not in school, okay? And you'll get a shield. All right, have a great day. And like I said, if you have questions, please contact me. If not, talk to you soon.